Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is Monday. I woke up this morning, I was 63.8 kilos, so that's a net loss of 150 grams since yesterday. Net loss of 6.4 kilos in 50 days and 14 point something pounds. So yesterday I broke my fast at 1:30 p.m. I actually ate between 1:30 and 2:30. I was very hungry and I wanted to eat brunch. Instead, I wanted to eat brunch food. I wanted eggs. I know I can eat eggs at night, but I felt like having them for brunch. So I broke my fast 1:30 to 2:30. I actually meal prepped before that, and what I did is I added extra. So I extra seitan, extra basmati rice. I was craving it. Let's take a look at my meal. So I had an apple that I mixed with my shake that I actually didn't add much liquid to, just enough to make a paste. So I added a bit of soy milk to it, banana and protein powder. And that actually was really good. At first I was a bit skeptical, but it turned out to be really super good. So that's my favorite dessert now. I'm having a protein shake, chocolate protein shake as a dessert. And I'm taking away the water from it so it's not as bulky and I can have it at the end of my meal. 2 fruits at least, didn't have much vegetables. I only tasted my soup as I finished it after my meal. So maybe 2 tablespoons of carrots, and that's nothing. So yeah, seitan, eggs and basmati rice. And I also had yogurt, to which I mixed cacao, brown sugar to make it chocolatey, and pistachio sunflower seeds. It was really good. I felt really good after my meal. I slept like a baby last night. Just this morning I woke up at 7, which is super late for me, but I couldn't believe that I actually slept uninterrupted. And so for that reason, I'm not saying it's OMAD, I'm just saying that when I eat, I'm tired after this meal. It puts me to sleep like a little baby. And I really enjoy this because seriously, I've had chronic insomnia for months now. And I'm very happy. If this is OMAD that's helping with my insomnia, I'm very happy. I'm grateful for OMAD. I'm very grateful that I found this eating protocol, this pattern of schedule, because it's really working for my sleep. But the lowdown is that I'm a little hungrier, obviously. But obviously, I'm getting used to this because that's always what happens when you start a new schedule. So no gym yesterday, no walk. It was gray, it was overcast, it wasn't inviting. So yesterday was Sunday. I just wanted to meal prep, to be cozy at home and not worry about going for steps. I just wanted to rest my body, and that's very important. If you are training most days during the week and you have a Sunday off, please take it off. Don't train every day. Go for a yoga class if you want, go for Pilates, go for something soothing, but I'm not telling you what to do, but don't feel good about not training every day. That's for sure. 5 to 6 times a week is more than enough for me. I don't have much to say about yesterday. It was a really good day. I slept like a baby and I rested. And this morning, I have a little decrease on the scale. So things are doing good in terms of weight loss. So what I'll do is I will now talk to you about the total calories, because it was very low. We're talking 1,213 calories and 71.4 grams of protein, which is very good for one meal. It means that I really, this concentration that my protein shake that I just kind of dehydrated, put just enough soy milk for it to be moist. It kind of reminded me of a cake batter, and that's why I quite enjoyed it. It was like a cake batter. I probably could have cooked that. I wouldn't, maybe like a pancake or something. Anyways, for now I do enjoy it, so I'm not going to cook it, but in case I feel like it, maybe I can make some experimentations. So yeah, overall a very good day. I will see you tomorrow to talk to you about today, which is going to be a longer fast because I broke my fast yesterday. I had only fasted for 18 hours, not 23. So from Saturday to Sunday, I fasted 18 hours. But when you eat just once a day and you're going to eat later the day after, then it means that, I might have eaten yesterday 18-hour window, but today's probably going to be like 25, 26 or 27 hours window. So I'll be longer fasted. Anyways, we'll see about that tomorrow. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.